Hi, this is Tom, and today I want to talk to you about how to handle maintenance calls. If you're self-managing your property, this is the video that's going to show you a little bit about how to handle maintenance calls. And it's pretty simple. For a big property management company, we do things a lot differently. We've got lots of systems and everything in place that can help. However, if you're self-managing, you need to handle maintenance calls this way. First off, in my opinion, you should be prompt. It's very important to respond to your resident, your tenant, pretty quickly for two reasons. One is you want to keep somebody happy, and if something's broken in your house, a lot of times it's not your resident's fault or your tenant's fault. So it's important that we keep them happy and we take care of them. And it's really your duty as a homeowner, is to keep your resident in a home that functions correctly. So if you have a maintenance problem, communicate fairly quickly with the resident and get back to them and handle the call. The second thing is you need to obviously get somebody there. Now in this case, you want to know somebody that's very capable of doing the job and an expert. So call an expert and get it done. The third thing is I would learn what is an emergency, what is not an emergency. Some things, if it's a little warm outside, say it's 80 degrees outside and a HVAC is out and your air conditioning unit's out, it might not be an emergency. If it's 110 degrees outside and they have a 2-year-old, it is an emergency. So I would really look into that as well to know what's an emergency and what's not an emergency. I would make sure that you're answering every call pretty quickly and pretty promptly to keep them happy. And I think, once again, it's very critical. The last thing you want to do is have a maintenance issue and hire a rookie who makes the problem worse, or hire somebody who's not getting the job done well and messes it up. So those are a few tips. If you have any more questions, please give me a shout.